guys, we're going to be doing a nature video today. It's Blake here, and if you have not been to Matt Horn's channel, go to Matt Horn's channel. Follow me. We're going to go do a nature walk. This is my grandmother's car for 500. The person before her got in a bad accident with it, and they didn't think they were going to run, so my grandmother bought it, and it's ran pretty far distance. And it hasn't broken down. She had to put a few parts in it, and right now she needs shocks in it, but still pretty good. This is my dad's truck. Perfect condition, nothing wrong with it. It's Chevy.
Dodge.
Okay, now let's start going up here. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, my two brothers are gonna be in this video, and I thought I told you to only point it at me. My two brothers are going to be at this video. One's in the cameraman, one's right here. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go. Well, let's go over and show them our bikes and our four-wheeler. So, this is my brother named Braden. This is mine and Braden's bike. This one's Braden's bike. This one's my bike.
My pickup.
And,
my pickup pole.
My little brother's bike's up there on the porch.
Yeah, mine.
If you would point the camera on the porch to show them.
And that
if you see that green bike up there, that's his bike.
And
that was his old bike. Okay, now back on me. This was the plow. My dad's plow that he plows in the winter. Come on. I got more to show you.
This is my dad's mower and Uber and shell.
I'm gonna do something. This is my basketball net, my basketball, the two tires that we use to hold up the basketball net. Oh, we forgot to pick up our football. I'll have to remember to pick this up at the end of the nature walk. Okay, off this way. This is my dad's landlord, the person he works for. This is his John Deere. And pretty good mower. Okay, come on.
Ricky, you forgot trailer.
Well, the trailer. They seen the trailer when it was on.
Brent, can you hold the camera because I need to go use the bathroom?
No. Okay. I'm gonna have to take the camera for a second. Okay. My brother's using the bathroom, so he has to go inside to use the bathroom. Everybody, he has to go inside to use the bathroom. He has to go inside and use the bathroom. And apparently, he's already on his way out, which I don't see is possible. Very weird. Oh, man, he just came out the door and he's almost here. Oh, there he is. Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay, we got more to show you. So, how about Brett does a demonstration here of him jumping on his little trampoline. You want to do a demonstration?
I'm the cameraman, so I can't do it.
This is our trampoline for little kids. I don't get on it, and the person using the camera is not really supposed to get on it, but he gets on it anyway. Okay, come on, let's go show you what we do for fun out inside in kickball. Okay. That ramp right there, that's first. Now home. Okay. Home, not first.
No.
We play kickball and baseball. So that's home. And then if you come this way, this is first base. First base. Come on, cameraman, gotta start walking a little bit faster.
Well, I am.
This is second. Usually the bucket's not in here, but we were playing a different game called a plank. And this would be second, and then if you'd come this way. This cherry here would be third. And then you just run back to the ramp like we showed you before. Show them the ramp, cameraman.
I saw
Show them the
Bumblebee
ramp,
call.
cameraman.
I already did.
Okay, there we go.
I
You guys
saw
show them
Bumblebee.
again.
I saw Bumblebee call.
Oh yeah, that'd be nice.
I saw Bumblebee call.
Apparently my brother has seen a bumblebee car drive by the road. A car that looks like the Transformer Bumblebee. This is the bags right here are filled with cardboard boxes. And if you come over here, you got some stuff that we're gonna throw in later. Come on, cameraman. We got our woods, but unfortunately in this video we're not going to go through the woods because we actually need a parent supervisor because there's actually a pretty deep river back there. And we actually do have fishing. Okay, let's go over here.
Blake, remember we can't go on this.
Now, this was all here when we moved here. We're going to get it out and we're going to dig a hole and put it all in a hole. We're going to put it all in a big fat hole. A big fat.
This is all.
It's gonna be in a big fat freaking hole.
We can learn the creature.
We still got some nature walk. Now,
Nature.
right now my grandmother lives with us, but not for long. This is gonna be her camper. We're just getting it ready and everything. It's gonna be somewhere
Why
else
you said camper?
here. And this is gonna be her camper. I don't know if there's any water hooked up to it. I don't think there is. No, there's no water hooked up to it. No, don't. Okay, so there's no water hooked up to it. And unfortunately, why would I even do it? I just walked up here like this, not even turning it. Just went up and rubbed it because I know if I turned it, I'd probably get in trouble. Okay, now, so this is her camper. I'm pretty sure it was 2 bedrooms. I mean trailer. And I'm pretty sure it was 2 bedrooms. Yeah. And how about we go check out our 4-wheeler, huh? You guys like to see our 4-wheeler? It's a 400 scrambler 4-wheeler.
It's a racing 4-wheeler.
It's a racing 4-wheeler. If I haven't said that already.
No, you didn't.
Come on, guys, over here.
That's a pull-up chair. There's.
We got a racing 4-wheeler. But unfortunately with our 4-wheeler, our dad was an idiot and was doing donuts around the driveway. And I broke the 4-wheel drive chain. So now we only have the 2-wheel drive chain. If you don't talk about me, well, it's a kind of bull. Okay, we got more to show you.
I already showed them.
Okay, let's go.
No,
over here. Oh, my little brother wants to show them the
Pull-up chair.